When developers stop switching windows and instead code, deploy, and collaborate inside one shared stream of thought with AI, that's not an IDE anymore, that's a new operating system. Welcome to the age of toolchain fusion. Once, a developer's workspace looked like a factory floor. GitHub for version control, VS Code for editing, Docker for deployment, Slack for talking. Now AI is weaving these scattered tools into a seamless, creative environment, a single cognitive layer above the traditional OS. This is what many call the second operating system for developers. In the US, Charm Bracelet, Glow, embodies this new philosophy. It turns the terminal itself into a living document hub. Developers can read, annotate, and execute Markdown right inside the command line, from reading to running, in one motion. It's not just documentation, it's interactive understanding. Meanwhile, dbeaver, a longtime favorite in data engineering, has evolved from an SQL editor into a data operations control center. It now integrates cloud connectivity, AI-assisted queries, and model visualization. Developers no longer move data moves through them. Across Europe, Lima VM, Lima is redefining how environments are built. Described as Docker for macOS, it lets engineers summon isolated Linux VMs instantly, linked to containers, Git, and CI testing frameworks. Instead of installing dependencies, you now summon an environment. This abstraction layer is quickly becoming the foundation of the second OS. In the AI ecosystem, SIM Studio AI /SIM takes a bold step further. It replaces deployment with simulation. Developers can preview and orchestrate complex multi-agent workflows inside a live sandbox, watching how models behave, share data, and react. It's not just testing code, it's visualizing intelligence. At the same time, Muddler, local AI, is bringing models home. No more relying on remote APIs. AI now runs locally, connecting between devices like microservices in your own cloud. Your laptop becomes your private AI data center. Among developers, a new title is emerging: Toolchain Architect. Their job isn't to pick tools, it's to design ecosystems. They ensure IDEs can talk to models, version control syncs with CI/CD, and documentation code and test logs coexist in one fluid environment. That integration, the unification of thought, code, and execution, is what defines the second layer OS. This fusion of tools marks a deeper truth. Development is no longer just writing code, it's co-creating with systems. When every tool begins to understand the others, the developer becomes part of the ecosystem, not just the operator of it. When AI begins to understand your tools begin to understand you.